In this video, we'll be going over the review page and some of its features in your VALT software. Please be aware that many of these features may be permission-based. If you don't have access to one and think you should, please contact your local VALT administrator. When we navigate to the Review tab, a list of stored recordings will appear. To play a video, simply click on the underlined blue recording name. This will bring up the video in the VALT player. Any cameras recorded through the room, view, or stream will play simultaneously, side by side. The VALT software has many ways to search for your other stored videos. By default, the videos will appear chronologically, with your most recent recordings being at the top of the list. You can search for any criteria of a video by using the search bar at the top of the page. To refine the search by using a single header, select the desired chart heading from the drop-down menu located in the search bar. You can also create a filter to add multiple layers of refined criteria to search by. When making a filter, you can choose to select pertinent information from your template, rooms, users, and date ranges. And the information combined in a saved filter will allow you to repeat search parameters quickly upon application. Clicking on the chart header for any given field will sort the videos in the column alphabetically or chronologically, either top to bottom or vice versa. To search by dates, whether it is a single day, a date range, or anything after a set date, click the Range button located at the top of the page. Your group permissions set a standard range of 60 days worth of videos that will load. If needed, the number can be changed with the help of your local VALT administrator. To view all of your videos, remove the set date from the calendar by clicking the X button. You will now see that the date range at the top says All Dates, and additional pages of loaded videos appear at the bottom. To have more videos load on a page, you can select an amount in the bottom right corner. When looking between a range of dates, input the start and end dates on the calendar to narrow down the number of recorded videos to this range of time. The VALT software also has the option to choose how this page will be viewed, as a chart or through thumbnails. You can make this selection in the top right corner of the page. All the metadata associated with your recorded videos has a place in the VALT software as well. Template fields, recording names, rooms, authors, dates, times, comments, and durations can all be extracted and placed into a single file. You may download this information to a PDF or CSV file type by clicking the Download button here. Uploading videos to the VALT software is another way to add videos into your system for review. To begin, we'll click the Upload button in the top right corner of the page. Fill out the necessary fields in your information template and choose a file to add. The supported file types are MP4, ASF, MOV, and QuickTime QT. When everything is ready, click Upload to add the video into your VALT software. Upon completion, there will be a brief message stating the upload has finished. Now, while your video is playing, there will be some buttons that appear above the view area. Information, Edit Recording, Transcription, Share Settings, Comments, Clicking the Information button will allow you to change the information fields that were originally applied when recording the video. It will also bring up button options at the bottom of the page for adding evaluation, sharing options, changing the author, and retention of the video. The Evaluation button allows you to add a previously created valuation template and assess the video by predetermined criteria. The Sharing Options button will let you select which groups or individuals are able to view the current video. Changing the author will set a user in your system to hold the video permissions. These permissions determine initial sharing and retention settings. Setting the retention for a single video will overwrite the group permissions, allowing you to keep or delete a video on a separate timeline from the original permission set. Now, let's focus on the Edit Recording button. Editing your recording will change the overall length of the video by creating a clip or cutting out part of the video file. Making a clip of your video will highlight a certain portion of the video, while cutting a section out will remove unwanted material. To create a video clip, set the orange sliders at the bottom of the camera view around the start and end times of the area you'd like to highlight. Then click Create Clip at the bottom left of the page. To cut out part of your video, set the orange sliders at the bottom of the camera view around the start and end times of the area to remove. Then click Cut Out at the bottom left of the page. After editing the length of your recording, a new file will be created next to the original. The new file will be named the same as your existing video, with either clip or cut out at the end. Next, let's add transcription to a video. Clicking the Add Transcription button will take you to the Transcription tab of your review page. Here, we leverage automatic speech recognition services to add a speech-to-text capability to your videos. To add transcription, click the desired camera in your transcription list to add it to the queue. When it is finished processing, clicking the completed icon will download the video transcriptions to a standard text file. In addition, you will now see a closed captions button in the bottom right corner of the video, and toggling it on will show the transcription in real time. More information on the transcription service can be found on the Servers and Services section of the admin page. Back at the VALT player, clicking on the Share Settings button will set sharing permissions for external viewing of the video file. This works very similarly to the Share Settings in the Observe page. Anyone who has access to the sharing link and the VALT network will have access to the shared video. Sharing links that end after a date or end after a period will automatically have their sharing permissions removed after the set time. Sharing links with no expiration must have their sharing permissions removed manually. Now, you may see colored dots along the timeline of the video. These are time-stamped comments that are saved to the video and are the focus of the final button above the camera view area. These comments will light up in the dialog section at the time it was added into the video. You can add text or voice comments during this time as well by typing in the field at the bottom of the screen or by clicking the small microphone located here. When you begin typing or recording your comment, the video will automatically pause. Then playback will resume when you finish entering your message. These actions can be turned on and off by clicking the settings gear below the text field. If you would like to utilize your group's comments template, click the template button here. The template described here is custom built to your group or organization's specific needs and allows for quick access of commonly used phrases and conditions to comment with. Finally, we'll return to the review page and examine some actions that can be done with each of your videos from this screen. If you hover over a video, 3 icons will appear at the right for editing, downloading, and deleting a video. The Edit button will allow you to change information, evaluation, sharing, author, and retention of a video without entering playback. Clicking the Download button will help you download the video file locally to your computer or device. You can choose to download videos from all cameras individually, create a file with audio from the recording only, or create a multi-view consisting of all recorded media in the room. Depending on the length of the video, creating a multi-view may take a few moments to complete. When this action is completed, click the button that says Multi-View to start the download. The final button gives the ability to delete a video from your VALT software. It is very important to realize that deleting a video will completely remove it from existence. This is a permanent change. If a video is deleted from the software, there is no retrieving it unless you have a previously installed backup storage device. To be sure you wish to remove a video from your software, clicking the Delete button will bring up a prompt before the action is finalized. This concludes our video segment on the review page and its features. If you have any additional questions, please contact your local VALT administrator.